Quick note before we begin, it got incredibly windy during our visit to the Painted Hills. You can read the transcript of this video on my blog post, which I'll link you below, and I'll also try to add captions, but just apologizing in advance for all of the wind in some of these clips. I hope you can hear okay. Hey guys, what is up? We got our van right here. Painted Hills are behind us, and we are about to go show you around this super hidden Oregon gem. The Painted Hills are kind of what they sound like. They are these giant red striped hills with this gorgeous like red rock soil sand. So the Painted Hills are kind of out in the middle of nowhere. They're about an hour and a half east of Bend, Oregon, and they're kind of a bitch to get to, not gonna lie. And we don't even have service out here, so I see why this place is still under the radar, is because it's a little hard to get to. Go show you around, come on. So this is Burnt Ranch Road, which is off of Highway 26. This is what you're gonna take into the Painted Hills. You'll see the Painted Hills off to your left. By this fence is the bathrooms, but keep driving in on this road to get to all of the good stuff. All right, this is the Overlook. There's a large parking lot here, and there's about a 1/4 mile hiking trail that you can walk to overlook all of these beautiful hills. This is a really good place to start your exploration. If you come in the springtime, you may luck out and catch a super bloom. Look at all the beautiful flowers. We came in June and caught the very tail end of it. It's a bit windy out. Okay, we are at the Painted Hills. It is hot out today. We were visiting in June, and I am glad that we have a lot of water in our car. Let's just say that. There are multiple different trailheads here. None of them look to be terribly hard. We are going to start off with the 1/2 mile Overlook trail that overlooks this main area. And then after that, we'll go to some other trails. I guess this is the hardest incline right here. Not very hard at all. But look at that. It's gorgeous. Just a reminder to not walk on the hills. It's bad for them. Or the flowers. Don't walk on the hills, don't be a dick. Lots of signs about not doing that. Do you actually see the dune coming in? There's a bunch of footprints on it.
Yeah.
And literally like all these signs say don't walk on them. And I was like, good job. So don't be like that. So the Overlook Trail kind of goes up over here and then ends. So we're gonna keep walking, right, Robin? We're gonna go to a different trailhead. Can you hear our van rattling? It's not bumpy, it's just gravel.
There's ridges.
There's ridges, like ruffles. Yeah, you're right, there are ridges. What was that?
No speeding.
No speeding, yeah. Said no dust. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, I think we found them. This is what we've been on the hunt for.
Nice.
Oh, this is gorgeous. We are at the Painted Cove, which is the most famous spot on Instagram that you probably see of the Painted Hills. It is just a 1/4 mile loop around this little hill right here. So, gonna be a long hike, you guys. Come on. Quick reminder to stay on this boardwalk. Do not leave it. Don't walk on the hills. Don't be a dick. This is that Instagram famous spot that you see all over, including my own Instagram. I suggest that you wear a yellow or a white dress to really pop against the red Painted Hills here. It's gonna be beautiful. About 33 million years. Robin here is gonna give you the more technical science. Believe it or not, I did get a 5 on my AP Environmental Science course, but that was in high school.
It's just the iron oxidizing in the clay, turning it red. It's rust.
Rust. See, there's this little sign that I was trying to memorize and tell you guys, and I'm doing a really bad job at it. That's why I moved to San Francisco, not Hollywood, you guys. But anyways, this is 33 million years old. It is gorgeous. Definitely worth a stop. I had to put my hair up. It is getting a wee bit windy. So now we are at the Leaf Fossil Trailhead. It's another one that's just a 1/4 mile long. So we're just gonna pop in real quick and see what this is about. These flowers are so pretty. So Leaf Fossil Hill has its name because there's a shit ton of fossils here. At one point, some guy, Ralph W. Cheney, just surveyed a small cubic area and he found over 20,000 different fossils. Isn't that crazy? So lots of old dead stuff is in here. No dinosaurs, it's mostly just plants and bugs, but it's still pretty awesome. Okay, so that is it. That is the Painted Hills. It's a short visit. If you're trying to like nail through sites, you can definitely do it easily within a half hour, I think. But you should definitely spend more time there. It is gorgeous. There's some hiking trails. I think the longest hiking trail is about 2.8 miles, so you can go do that if you're really itching to get your body moving. But yeah, visit the Painted Hills. They're so pretty, super underrated. I think we saw like 7 other cars when we were in there, so it's easy to take photos of. They're stunning. You're gonna feel like you have the whole park to yourself. Definitely worth a visit.